Our planet is facing a critical challenge. The growing waste crisis from products designed for a single life. But what if every product could tell its story, be repaired, reused, resold, or recycled, all seamlessly and securely? Each product starts its journey with a secure, unclonable NFC tag and unique digital ID. A way to be uniquely recognized, tracked, and updated through its entire lifecycle. A simple tap of the NFC embedded in the product activates the digital experience. The item is uniquely identified and authenticated through the secure NFC tag. Ownership of the item can be verified through a blockchain token or an NFT held in the user's digital wallet. This helps gate ownership-related features accessible exclusively to owners of the item. Products can be authenticated by the user and authorized online marketplace for relisting. Product information and attributes can be pushed instantly to the marketplace. Expected resale price can be set and collected from the user, making resale and integration through a central marketplace seamless and simple. Items can be uniquely identified and authenticated at collection centers, return centers, and recycling drop-off locations. Pickup services can be requested, and agents can verify items and claim shipping costs. Even deposit refunds can be activated on authentication of a specific item to the registered owner. List authorized repair center locations to extend the life of the product. Enable logging of repair history and changes to maintain value of the item. Build circular, sustainable, smart products with Qliktag